We have some fantastic news. The 2022 Ford Bronco Everglades is confirmed with a factory installed snorkel and a winch. And the Ford North America product communication manager, of course we all know his name, Mike Levine, had confirmed that everyone that the Bronco Everglades is scheduled to roll out next summer. And it's going to be having a factory installed wrench up front and a high-rise intake. This is straight up awesome news, folks. Awesome news for those who love to take adventures and for those who like to take their Bronco to the limits. Now, a common misconception that the snorkels are going to enable the vehicle to traverse rivers without a problem. Boy, that would be something else now, wouldn't it? That would be fantastic. Now, no snorkel can protect the electronics from being destroyed due to water infiltration. You know, if you can remember, Toyota renamed the Tacoma TRD Pro snorkel in the desert air intake. They did it for a reason, folks. They did it for that reason. Because people were flooding their engines. Hey. Mike Levine tweet has attracted quite some angry comments from people who are reservation holders for the Bronco. In 16 months from release, receipt's pretty darn long. Make sure you keep your promise of building reservations before stock. And that's what everybody wants. They want their reservations built before the regular Broncos hit the parking lot as promised. Now, available summer 2022. Unless you have a reservation, then you can expect to get your Bronco sometime 2025 or 2026, which is just straight up crazy, folks. The 2022 model year, the Bronco, as they would say, I guess the wait is somehow disappointing. But customers who want the Sasquatch package with the 7-speed manual transmission are going to be charged the same price as though they would pay for the 10-speed automatic. And you can't, this is just some straight up crazy news. You can imagine Ford explaining this price with a straight face. I mean, come on, folks. Now, the base now starts at $29,300 for the 2-door and $33,450 for the 4-door. The Sasquatch is, of course, listed at $6,590, $6,500, compared to the $4,995 that was last year. And a 10-speed gearbox is a $1,595 option, basically. And that's over the crawler gear manual. Now, we know the Bronco 2.3-liter EcoBoost is also shared with the Ranger pickup truck. And the 2.7-liter EcoBoost is with the Ford F-150. Now, nobody knows what the Raptor is going to have. But a lot of people say it's going to be having the same engine as the Explorer ST, which is a 3.0-liter turbo EcoBoost, which is just kicking out 400 horses and 415 pound of torque, which is straight up awesome, folks. But the 2022 Ford Bronco Everglades, yes, it's confirmed with for the factory snorkel and a winch. And just to know that you're not going to be traversing any rivers. But remember, you can at least go through 35 inches of water, which is just straight up amazing. This is great news from Ford. And at the same time, the patience is a virtue, but it's also a little upsetting. But hey, sooner or later, things are going to work out and we're going to get our Broncos. Stay strong, everyone. Stay Broncos strong. Much love, A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. Have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.